Hey guys, it's Bridget with Sandy Seed Company. Today I'm showcasing one of my favorite flowers, which I kind of have a lot of them, but every year I fall in love with one. This year it is Status, and also this gorgeous Scarlet Flax. I love flax because it is one of the easiest plants to grow. I'm gonna explain how to grow that in this video. Before I do, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you're notified anytime we put out a video. Okay, so this beautiful, tall, fairy-like flower is called Scarlet Flax. It is in the same family as the traditional blue flax, which we have in our catalog. This is a new product that we're offering, and what is so amazing about this flower is the stunning color. It is just a beautiful mat of this crimson, red, pink, scarlet. I don't even know how to describe this color. It's really radiant and it grows so easily. All of this area was actually direct sown. We basically just took the seed and we scattered it along the drip line area, used sifted soil to cover it, and it popped up very easily and very quickly. It is actually a cover crop in many parts of the world. And interestingly enough, the stem part of the plant is actually used to make linen. So it is dried, it is stripped, it is processed, and it is braided to make the linen fabric that we know today. So not only does the plant make fabric, but also you get these gorgeous flowers. You also can eat the seed. It is the same flax that are in cookies and chips or flax meal. You put it in your oatmeal. And what happens is, after the flower is done blooming, you'll get a little ball of seed that then you can simply pull off the plant, break up. You'll see, you'll have plenty of seeds in your hand, and they can just be eaten. We have some videos on how we do that with the blue flax, and the scarlet flax is absolutely identical in that process. One of the benefits of the scarlet flax is it's just an unusual color, and it's so beautiful. When this area is seeding, we're in June now, and it'll probably be seeding about late July. There will be tons of birds that will be swooping in to enjoy the feast, and I'm okay with it because I can't possibly use all the seeds that this area is gonna produce. So again, scarlet flax, super easy plant to grow. From seed, you can direct sow it in the garden. If you're not very good at direct sowing, it's very easy to plant in a little transplant and then put into the garden when it's ready. Beautiful deep blooms and really an amazing fuss-free plant. So add this to the list of plants you're gonna grow this summer in your garden.